Hey, thanks for shopping Klaben.com. This is Bill Wills. I'm with Rich Klaben. Let's talk about reconditioning vehicles, because people are shopping for used cars. They hear about what dealers are doing. What do we do at Klaben, Rich?
Well, it's a very logical and simple process, Bill. First off is it got to get through these different gates. First gate is, would we buy that car? If something that we don't feel comfortable with, then why would we even think about retailing it? Next, once we get to the next gate, is it goes to our service departments, the same technicians that work on your cars when they're new, certified technicians, and they have a certified checklist to go through. They go through that list, they bring that to one of the leadership team members and say, this is what we have to do to this vehicle. And the leadership team members' decision process is really simple. Either they do everything they tell them it needs, or they tell them to button it up and we're wholesaling it.
Good information. Big decision on buying a used car. Come to Klaben. Experience what the difference is all about. You can trust Klaben.